Driving back. Marcy's eating some cookies. And we're gonna hit up a dog park on the way back to try and get the puppies. Kaylee needs to run a bit. We've taken walks, but she hasn't been able to run, so. It's pretty. It's like a pleasant temperature. Hudson.
Go on, honey.
Hudson. Go get it. Come on. Hudson, come here. Let's go. Go get it. Go get it.
Get the stick, Kaylin.
Come on. Kaylin. Come on, good girl.
Don't squeak.
Come on. We are finally back home. Really had a good time visiting all the family, but it's always hard to be away that long. And because it's a spring, our yard has kind of bloomed, which is nice. But now we have to go wrangle it. I'm going to put up the water barrels. I think Marissa is going to, I don't know what she's going to do. I think she might plant some stuff. Our tulips are up. Charlie's there. Hi. Meow. But currently, I'm going to work on that. The barrels are up and not leaking, which is nice.
What are you doing, babe?
I'm pulling some of these fallen trees.
Oh.
What?
Do you want to explain what the... I've been videotaping you this whole time.
Awesome.
What the tree puller is.
This is a device that pulls trees.
We have
so you basically, it's for smaller trees. So the stump you have to put it over the stump, and then you close it up on it, and it will cinch up as you rotate it down, and it hopefully pulls up the tree. See? And pull. Tree puller. It is the evening time and our yard work is done. We're all showered, ate some dinner, and we are gonna watch the Star Wars movie and have some popcorn. That's the plan. There are the puppies. Hope you're having a good Monday, and we will talk to you tomorrow.